We're gonna do a food review and we're start with bread. Even though I took a bite.
The breadsticks,
It's a little cold. A little bit, but it's good. Okay.
So,
I've already tried the
let's do breadsticks.
I've also already tried
The breadsticks, I had them last year, they were so
A
good.
little cold. Yeah, that's good. It's a little bit salty.
Yeah, because we waited.
What do you rate?
Like, it's definitely, it would be a 9 out of 10 if it was more.
I'll give it an 8. Okay.
Yeah, because we waited. Like, it's definitely, it would be a 9 out
It's
of 10.
like kind of tomato. Yeah. I like it. 8 out of 10. Does it have anything to do with our Equal.
Yeah. What do you get this? I give this an 8. This is better than everybody.
Okay. I have, oh my god, look at my taco. It's so cool. I have a chicken taco with lettuce, cheese, and sour cream. And I have chicken. So I'm gonna squish it and then eat it. A little cold, but it's good. Now the steak. The chicken's like slimy, it's good.
I'm gonna try mine. I'm nervous. 10 out of 10. I'll say. I really like this taco.
Yes, I saw your email.
Oh no. Like this? Lily. Lily. Can someone put text on it? My phone's about to die, so it'll be fine.